back to the channel. Today we're exploring the incredible 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800, one of the world's most luxurious touring motorcycles. If you love long-distance riding, premium comfort, and cutting-edge technology, stay with us until the end. The 2026 Gold Wing continues Honda's legendary touring tradition with aerodynamic bodywork, LED lighting, premium paint finishes, and integrated luggage. Every detail is designed to provide comfort and style for long-distance adventures. Power comes from Honda's legendary 1833cc liquid-cooled flat-six engine, delivering exceptionally smooth performance and effortless highway cruising. Riders can choose manual or DCT transmission depending on the market, while shaft drive keeps maintenance low.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold.
The Gold Wing offers advanced touring technology including large TFT display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, multiple riding modes, heated grips, electronically adjustable windscreen, reverse function for easier parking.
A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating.
Built for thousands of kilometers, the Gold Wing features a plush seat, excellent wind protection, spacious storage, and Honda's innovative double wishbone front suspension for an incredibly smooth ride. This is specifications of Honda Gold Wing 1800.
Gone away, yeah. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence.
Conclusion. If you're looking for one of the finest luxury touring motorcycles ever built, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800 deserves serious attention. It blends power, comfort, reliability, and advanced technology into an unforgettable riding experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle reviews.